name is Kiteni Kurika. I'm a research associate working with National Agriculture Research Institute. I'm very grateful to attend this workshop on social media web 2. One of the things that I learned in this workshop is blogging, and all what I've learned in these workshops are all tools to improve my communication. But one thing I learned, and I found it so interesting, and I committed to take it right, or to do it right, was blogging. And I managed to post an article, and you can see it at the back of me from the screen. And my blog is to do with Didi Mary in PNG language is to do with the agriculture woman. And my main topic under that blogging is I want to express the job of agriculture women and farmers, and what they're doing and what's happening in the rural farmers, and the developments taking place. And I'm proud to be part of this Women in Agriculture in East New Britain Province, Papua New Guinea. And with that in my heart, I thought my blog would be surrounded around a woman in agriculture. So this workshop is really, it was very exciting, and although I did not get everything right, but I think it has helped me to show me the way to get through to other tools apart from blogging. And thank you to CTA for funding this. And one thing I want to express is, it's not easy to teach an old woman like me. I'm 54 years old, but I still want to learn, and from this I think it's still proving that, you are not too old to learn. And I'm proud of it, and thank you, CTA, to conduct this training for me.